7.5a, the pressure equation. Pressure is the measure of force over surface area. So how much force is spread out over a given surface area. The formula for pressure is P equals F over A, where P equals the pressure, F equals the force, A equals the surface area. Remember, we can manipulate the equation to find other information if given pressure. So actually, this formula here is three formulas in one. One for P, one for F, and one for A, if we just manipulate it. So let's go to an example. A metal press applies 2,000 pounds of force over a surface area of 50 square inches. How much pressure is applied by the press? So like any word problem, we should underline what we're looking for. So how much pressure is applied by the press? So we're looking for pressure, so we got to find P. So using our formula, P equals F over A, we can plug in our givens of 2,000 pounds of force for F and 50 square inches for surface area A. So 2,000 lbs over 50 inches squared. This ends up equaling 40 pounds per square inch, or 40 psi is another way of writing that. And there's our answer. So let's go to another example where we can't just use the formula for pressure outright. We have to manipulate it to find something else. So a car has a total static contact area of 147 square inches with the ground, which means this is the tires that are in contact with the ground. There's 147 square inches of the tires in contact with the ground. If the tires are required to have a pressure of 36 psi to keep the car upright, how much force does the car apply to the tires? So again, like any word problem, we should underline what we're looking for. So we're looking for force. So we need F, right? We need to get F by itself. And we have an equation that describes a relationship between pressure, force, and surface area. And that is P equals F over A. So we're trying to find F, so let's get it by itself. By multiplying both sides by A, we can get F by itself. And F equals pressure times surface area. So plugging this in with our givens, the pressure is 36 pounds per square inch, and the contact area is 147 square inches. And this gives us a total of 5,292 pounds of force. Note that the force exerted by the car on the ground is actually an estimate of how much the car weighs in total. So what we've done is estimate how heavy a car is by just looking at how much of it's in contact with the ground and the pressure required to keep it upright.